Shipping containers can be modified and assembled in different configurations to create amazing modern container homes. In this video, we feature the 8747 shipping container house in Springfield, Missouri. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. The 8747 house is an eco-friendly shipping container home with gorgeous windows and enviable porches perched over the most beautiful rocky and wooded slope overlooking the James River in Springfield, Missouri. This breathtaking house is built using 4 45-feet shipping containers to create 1,300 square feet of habitable space. 3 out of the 4 containers are placed parallel to each other, sitting side by side. One of the 3 containers is partially cut out at the front to create a sheltered entrance porch, and the 3rd container on the end is sheared horizontally, projecting and jutting over a hill to accommodate a sheltered outdoor deck. The 4th container is placed perpendicular to the other 3 containers, and it also has one of its extreme ends cut out to create a private sheltered outdoor deck. To minimize the impact of the project on the environment, the containers sit on concrete piers integrated with concrete strip foundation to elevate the containers off the ground away from moisture, at the same time to functionally provide a vantage height to enjoy the view. The containers were fabricated off-site, where the container walls were cut out to create adequate fenestrations for windows and door openings to enhance daylighting and cross ventilation. An additional low-profile gable roof was built with timber trusses on top of the containers to keep the interior spaces cool from hot weather and to also protect the containers from the elements. The internal container walls were cut out to create an open plan living space. The entire floor of the house was fitted with radiant underfloor heating pipes throughout. A concrete floor was cast on top of the container plywood floors before framing the interior. The containers were primed out and rust-proofed throughout the exterior with anti-corrosive paint. All the glass doors and windows were installed to make the house watertight, ready for internal works. Several skylights on the gable roof above the living spaces were also installed to create a well-lit indoor space. The attic space above the shipping containers was framed out and covered with a steel fascia for a waterproof finish. Big steel beams projecting outwards from the living room balcony were used to create a cantilevered deck overlooking the valley to enjoy the view. Well-seasoned cedar lattice covers the entrance facade to highlight the entrance porch in contrast with the predominantly dark-colored container exteriors. A large wooden ramp on a steel frame winds uphill, connecting to the outdoor deck at the main entrance. Apart from the impressive exterior, the house is of highest quality even on the inside. The home's front door opens into a warm and inviting interior, which features an expansive open-plan living space. The sitting area is a cozy lounge space furnished with sofa seats, a custom coffee table with a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, and a floor mat to define the lounge space. The living room exudes a modern but rustic ambience with polished concrete floors, a freestanding fireplace, modern sculptures which adorn the interior, floor-to-ceiling glass windows overlooking the lush outdoors, and lots of light streaming in from several large skylights are sprinkled across the wood-clad ceiling, creating a sunny and welcoming feel throughout the living space. A sliding glass door from the living room opens onto a lovely sheltered porch. The sheltered porch connects to an outdoor deck cantilevered from the porch, literally floating above the ground with amazing views of the valley. Past the living area is a small dining area furnished with a custom-designed dining table that can comfortably seat 5 or 6 depending on your need and configuration. Next to the dining area is a Galley Kitchen, stylishly outfitted with brand name appliances, adequate counter space, and under-the-counter cabinet storage. Worth noting is the floor-to-ceiling slit window that floods the kitchen space with natural light. A warm master bedroom that adjoins the living room clearly has a portion of rusty, exposed container wall to bring out the industrial charm on the indoors. It has a comfortable bed, a well-arranged working area, and a slit window for natural daylighting and cross ventilation, making the room less industrial. A stylish master bathroom is also fitted with a small window to light up the space. It has a tub cum shower, a toilet, and cabinets for maximum storage. A lengthy hallway carries you through each room with a serene indoor-outdoor flow. The steel shutters open to a restroom. The second bedroom has a simple metal-framed bed with warm beddings for a good night rest. The house has a cozy home office that has a large window that opens to an enviable porch, integrating the interior of the property with nature. The interior walls are dry-walled, and almost none of the corrugated metal look that dominates the exterior is evident on the inside. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which celebrates the industrial vibe of the design. The dark paint used on this custom container home has little impact on the thermal rating of the house due to the interior insulation that was used. In addition, the dark exterior helps the building to recede and merge seamlessly into its heavily forested background. We love everything about this amazing container house. Which part of this container building appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.